Engine tuning is the heart of car tuning. By optimizing your car's engine, you can unlock significant performance gains. This includes upgrading the intake system, improving airflow, and fine-tuning the exhaust for better exhaust flow. One of the most common engine mods is ECU tuning, which involves adjusting the car's computer system to boost horsepower, torque, and fuel efficiency. Proper engine tuning can transform how your car drives, providing quicker throttle response, more power, and even better fuel economy. Whether you want a smoother drive or raw power, engine tuning is key to getting the most from your car.